Hey guys, Annie here, and welcome to another episode of Cats Are Liquid, A Light in the Shadows. I am recording this Sunday the 10th, so literally the Sunday before this comes out. Yeah, I procrastinated a lot. Also yesterday, to the time of recording these, I had just edited together the Sander Sides video, the Life of the Sides video, episode 2, which really was supposed to come out last month. But yeah, that didn't happen. And for those of you who decided to hop into this video to find out the reason for it, well, I'm going to explain it to you, and in the next episode I record, I am probably going to be ranting about... I'm probably going to rant about something. Anyway, first let's get into the world, which was World 8, Room 1. Okay, so here's the thing. It's not an excuse. I know. Technically, it's the truth and it is an excuse, but either way. Okay, so the colors changed yet again. Are you going to say that like every time this happens? Alright, so you see, my laptop does not have much storage space, and it's nobody's fault but the developers. I mean, she still had no idea what the color change meant. I mean, on the box, it said it had 32 gigabytes, which should be fine for what I'm trying to do, for what I need it for. But the thing the only ones but the only one that could be used by the consumer are actually Damn it! What the fuck? Damn it! But only 4 gigabytes are usable for the person. Are you serious? Okay, only 4 gigabytes. I'm just going to let the time run out and start this whole thing over. Okay, only 4 gigabytes are usable for the person. I can only use 4 gigabytes freely. The other 28 is used for functions that I don't use at all. Functions that I literally don't use. I've deleted stuff on it deleted stuff on my laptop just to get shit done, just to be able to just to be able to surf the internet without the stupid message about not having enough storage space coming on. Like, seriously. My mom got me this laptop, and I don't blame her for it, because it's not her fault. It's the fucking consumers. Not the consumer. Not her fault. It's not her fault. Because it's not her fault. It's not our fault that the people who made the laptop are assholes that need the 28 gigabytes of use that their customer could use to have a laptop running. It's not our fault. It's theirs. Okay, I'm not all that bothered about the X being gone. Oh no. The small gray square is gone. So yeah. Anyway, but I got an I have it's a Windows 10 laptop. I'm not a huge fan of Windows 10 if I'm being honest. Before I got this laptop, I had a Windows 8.1. Damn it. Had a Windows 8.1 and it was good. And I liked it. Windows 10 irritates me mostly because I can't turn off the fucking notifications and it's irritating. And also because my new laptop has Power Saver, and when that's on, you get a stupid notification for OneDrive saying power loader's on, so OneDrive cannot back up. Whatever. Like seriously, I don't use OneDrive. I really don't, and I don't have anything on this laptop that I need to back up. So it's whatever. So it's really just an irritant. But yeah, anyway, she wanted it back. But yeah, where was I? I'm getting off track. So, again, it's the ones who built it's the company's fault. It's the Windows company. Windows 10 is irritating with how many notifications you get off that you really do not care about. Or do you even want to see, and you can't turn them off. At least I haven't found a way to turn them off yet. She just realized the square didn't tell her anything. But yeah. So, anyway, it was selfish. Oh, I gotta jump on the balls. So anyway, I'm getting off topic again. So I have Windows 10. I definitely prefer Windows 8 if I'm being honest. I like the customization of the home screen. I like the fact that it actually came with an editing. I like the fact that it actually came with an editing software that I knew how. An editing software. It came with Cyberlink. It didn't tell her how to survive the orange liquid. It didn't tell her anything. Damn it. Alright, anyway. So, I found a solution. It kept it all to itself. So I came to a solution back in March after the whole glitch thing that happened in my PC Gotcha Club PC. It's called a storage space. I overshot that. Great. It's you see, Windows has this thing called storage spaces, and in all honesty, for what I needed it to do, it's pretty useful. So I got an external hard drive after we took it took buying two separate external hard drives for it to work, because the first internal hard drive that I got from Walmart was not, according to the Geek Squad, was not what it was supposed to be. Geek Squad is located at Best Buy. For those of you who don't know that, Best Buy is an electronics store. She had calmed down. I don't really know if it's an international store or whatnot, or just in America, or in a certain spot in America. But yeah, she had calmed down now. But yeah, so we went to Best Buy. My grandma was nice enough to pay for the second eternal hard drive, like she did the first one. It was supposed to be a birthday present. I asked for really weird presents. Like, don't get me wrong, I do. It had her and never even asked for anything in return. Yeah, my birthday's in the beginning of March. It had helped her and never even asked for anything in return. So anyway, got this external hard drive, got this external hard drive from Best Buy, created a storage space, and everything was, and one of the features of a storage space is to extend the storage over time, and it did work. I definitely had more storage than I had when I first started using the laptop. Gee, missed the little gray square. Oh, I can jump on those. I wasn't going to risk it with the big one. She really did. And it did extend the storage space. It did work. It... What the fuck? What the fuck am I supposed to do here? She didn't even know its name. So yeah, and the issue was solved. Until Norton. The storage space issue isn't an issue until Norton decides to fucking do a weekly scan for a month. Seriously, it could go a couple months without needing to be run at all. She didn't even know its name. It could go a couple months without needing to run a quick scan, at all. But then it suddenly decides one month that, hey, I'm going to make you do this every other week, and it's probably going to be on a day that's going to inconvenience you. And when that happens, the storage situation sucks. The storage situation reverts back to being shitty. She didn't even know its name. Right, I read that already like 3 times now. So, last month, was a month that Norton decided to do this. Didn't even know its name. God damn it. And September was a month Norton decided to do this, which screwed me over for the entirety of the month and prevented me from doing really anything on my laptop. All because Norton wanted to be an asshole. I mean, it's a great company, don't get me wrong. But seriously, you really shouldn't try to piss off your customers. And this is the paid subscription for Norton, too. Didn't really have this issue with the free one before they discontinued it. Yeah, we have Comcast, so Norton for a time. So until recently, Norton was actually you could get Norton for free with Comcast because of a contract they had with Comcast. So, and that's what we had been using for years, me and my family. We've been using that for years. And it was far less irritating than the paid subscription. Gave far less advertisements. Far less advertisements and pop-ups. Opened a tab on Chrome a lot less. Yeah, I use Google Chrome because I like Google Chrome. Damn it! It gave a lot less advertisement. It opened a lot less tabs when I just log into Chrome when I just go into Chrome to get on to watch YouTube and whatnot. In all honesty, Norton was a lot less irritating before we had to pay for it. Landed right on a spike. Lovely. So yeah, the reason why I couldn't do any gotcha stuff yesterday is for the entirety of last month is because of Norton. Damn it. It was because of Norton. Because Norton decided to be an asshole. So I am really sorry, but there's really nothing I could have done. I couldn't run Cyberlink because that's the editing software I did I couldn't run Cyberlink because that requires a lot of storage space. That requires at least a gigabyte of storage space to run, I guess. Oh my god! Could you stop jumping that way? And what? Because Cyberlink requires more storage space than I was left with after running Norton. But all in all, if I'm being perfectly honest, even if I run Cyberlink, this pretty heavy editing software, I still don't get the this lack of storage space, the not enough storage space message. Not enough storage space message unless I use it twice in the same day. So, yeah. So I am sorry that there was no gacha videos last month. But that is why there was no gacha episodes. Like, seriously, every day last month until the first week of October, I was getting that not enough storage space message every single day because Norton decided that it needed to run every week. Like, and I know it sounds ridiculous, but I've actually tested this theory. It's only an issue when Norton decides to do that. Oh my god, how long have I been talking? How many? Holy shit, it's been 20 minutes. Okay. But yeah, that is why there were no gacha videos last month. I'm pretty sure that it's been set. I'm pretty sure that this month it's gonna not happen again. But don't hold me to. Just know that if I'm not uploading many gacha videos for like a month, that's probably why. Let's go back and see where I left off and turn on a light. Start 8. Room 6. Alright. Alright, so anyway, that is my explanation. I didn't mean to go on for 20 minutes, but that's probably mostly because I got frustrated with the game. But it's whatever. So, anyway, if you like the video, leave a like. If you want to comment, comment. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Bye. Anyway, until next time, see ya. Bye. Next episode's just gonna be another rant.